Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with our December new releases. These will be the Christmas themed monthly and budget kits. Yes, I know it is only September, but that's the way these things go, man. Shipping time gets crazy. And I wanted to make sure that you guys had these well in advance so that you could get them before it's going to be too late for December product. I will say there is more Christmas product coming. You're going to hear more about it in October, likely the beginning of October. I will have more information about what I have planned. But today I have 3 December kits, 3 budget kits and 3 monthly kits that match to show you, and we are going to look at those now. So this first one is called Christmas Dream. It's item number 73 in my shop, which you can search by. I'm kind of obsessed. I just want to pet it nonstop. But that is our main sheet. There is our weekly check-in. And then we have our smaller sheets here. Our thick washi is this matching one to the header. This one, which might be my favorite. And then these super cute snowmen, and it's got like a dusty rose kind of background on it. And then for skinny washi or the thin washi, we have these 3 patterns here, and of course our solid. I am loving this sort of gray blue with the reds and then the dusty pink. I love. The monthly kit to match looks like this. 2 pages as always. If you missed last week's November releases, I have added some functional components to this sheet. I realized there was unused space that I should use up for you guys. So there are 4 functional boxes there, and then there are 4 little flags there. Sunday start and Monday start available in all of them as usual. So those are called Christmas Dream, and that is the first of the 3 designs. The second is called Pastel Christmas, and I mean, it's not all pastel colors, but it's a little bit more of those more muted colors than, you know, sort of that bright red and green that you sometimes get. So that's our main sheet there. Our weekly check-in, the little sheets here, our thick washi in the matching pattern, this one here, you can see the stripes there, and these trees. And then for thin washi, I love this one. These little trees here and the tiny little presents, I love them. There's that, and the solid green that matches. The monthly kit, again, matches that header, and the icons and date dots and all that are in black. Really pretty, that one too. So that is called Pastel Christmas. And then the last one, I'll just move this over here for a moment. The last one is called Traditional Christmas. And this is really that, the sort of dark greens and reds that are a little bit more traditional around this time of year. So we have our main sheet. The washi in this one is stunning. Our weekly check-in. I think the flags look so cute with those little curly cues. And I love how this looks like pine leaves, or needles rather. Our little sheets are here. There is our first thick washi. Our second one, which is kind of a red and gold pattern. And then this gold snowflakes and glitter pattern. And then, oh, look at these. So there's the thin one that matches the header, this sort of reddish and gold color, and then this one, which also mimics the texture and pattern of pine needles with glitter and snow sort of on it. And then, of course, the solid matching one. And our monthly kit looks like this. And the icons are white with the green backgrounds. So those are the Christmas, December themed budget and monthly kits. Orders before the end of September will receive, hold on, just going to cover the code. You will get this freebie with a discount code for your next order on it, and there will be a new freebie coming at the beginning of October, as there normally is each month. So these will be in the store on Friday, September 25th. So if you're watching this on the day that I upload it, that's tomorrow. And they will, of course, be available both in physical product and printable options. All right, that's it for this week's releases. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this sneak preview. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.